guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am gonna kind of show you, it's a vlog day for our resort day. So we ended up switching our resort day stay around from Thursday to Wednesday because if you saw our other video, Jonathan ended up with a pretty painful scratch on his eyeball. So that was last night. So he really needed a day to kind of recover from that. So he had an experience this morning. Apparently at Disney, when you like go to the first aid station, what they tell you is that if you have something that's requiring an urgent care visit, then they will send a shuttle to you if you're staying on the resort to go pick you up and take you to the nearby urgent care from Advent Health. Jonathan did that this morning. We called at 7 a.m. They were here within 15 minutes, picked him up, looked at his eye, confirmed the scratch. They took him to Walgreens to pick up his script, and then came back here. So he's gonna spend a lot of the day in the room, kind of like resting his eyes basically. We got our dinner reservations switched around. Thankfully there was still availability. So we're gonna be eating at the House of Blues tonight at 7. So until then, we're gonna be hanging around the resort. Maybe if he's feeling a little bit better here shortly, we'll head up to Disney Springs just to kind of walk around. But he's got an eye patch and some polarized sunglasses, so he'll be in some special gear there. But anyways, me and Charlotte are gonna hang out at the pool, check out the playground at this resort, there's a playground, and just kind of enjoy the rest day. It is a little windy because there's a tropical storm coming through, so hopefully we don't get rained out, but follow along with us. Do you want some chocolate milk? Chocolate milk. Let's get it open. Alright guys, so we have sat down for breakfast here in the resort breakfast area. We did use 2 meals for quick service. And we got the sampler platters. And then we also got a snack, which is this cinnamon roll, which is a pretty good value. And it looks actually really good and moist, and Charlotte is very excited about it. The meals came with drinks, so we just got 2 chocolate milks, and I'm gonna set one back in the fridge in the room so that she can have it tomorrow morning. So they do have a little kids, like 1-foot splash pool right here at the end of the big pool. And then this way is the pool with the 3 caballeros, and you do have Donald Duck as well there, which Charlotte is very excited about. So this is the bigger of the 2 pools. This is the guitar pool, and it's right there by the main building in between the 2 calypsos. Alright guys, so I walked over and I want to show you guys around All-Star Movies a little bit, and kind of show this area off. So you can pretty much walk across the parking lot over from music into movies or sports. So we'll show you guys around here a little bit, and I'm probably going to go over to the playground over here and check it out as well. We have one building based off of Fantasia, which is really neat. So you've got the dancing rooms here, and we're just inside of Mickey's Sorcerer Hat. So that is the Fantasia building, and it's right near the Fantasia pool. And as you can see, you've got Sorcerer Mickey here as the pool's feature, just like Donald Duck was at ours. And this is going to be right here by the main building of All-Star Movies. Of course, you've got pool checkers, which is really neat because they have it set up like the stage at Fantasia. So I'm going to show you guys around. I'm going to go to the other side. So there is Sorcerer Mickey.
You can walk right here, Shelby.
And it looks like over here, across from the Sorcerer Mickey pool, there is a little kiddie splash pool over here amongst the icebergs. So you can kind of come around here, and this is a great place again for the toddlers to come. the book for Fantasia. And I just noticed this. Let's see if it works. Oh! Yes. Okay, cool. They have a splash pad. Charlotte would love this. So I'll probably have to show her this over here. So, if you're looking for a splash pad, they do have a very small one, along with the kiddie pool. And just like our pool, they do have a pool bar over here called the Silver Screen Spirits. And then they've got their main building with the star. So I'm sure it's probably very similar to ours. But I'm gonna pop in here and refill our mugs real quick. So yeah, it's similar to ours as far as the layout and everything. It's just slightly different theming. And they've got blue instead of ours. I think ours was red or orange. It was more of a warm color. Oh, we've got to go back out to get to the food court. Okay, so they must be doing a little bit of remodel construction. But there is their shop called the Double Feature. And again, it looks pretty similar to ours. They've got all the Halloween merch out and everything. So we have this shirt for Charlotte. It's really cute. And we do have some movies playing in here. Between movies, previews, and things, which is pretty fun. That's since it's all-star movies. And going past away from Fantasia a little bit, we can head this way, which is the direction of not only Toy Story, but also the playground. And that is where Charlotte really wanted to go to. So we are gonna go over here right quick and take a little stop at the playground so that she can play. So it's looking pretty nice. They've got a couple different structures and then sand, which is one of her favorites. So she is already up and running. And she looks like she's having fun, so we're gonna let her play for a little bit. Once you go past where the playground is at, we have the Toy Story themed area in All-Star Movies. And this is probably our favorite theming for All-Star. You come up on the RC car here. Look, it's the door to Andy's room. Let's go inside. Andy's room. Keep out. Buzz. It's Buzz Lightyear from Star Command. Howdy there, Woody. And look, you can see he's even got Andy's signature on his foot. Well, there's Andy's window. Does that mean that the parking lot through there is Sid's backyard? Giant checkers. I'm not sure if you can actually play that though. It's a little bit heavy there. These checker pieces are just too big for me to lift. They make nice little benches though. To infinity and beyond. That is the Toy Story area. Alright, so we went ahead and used a quick service and got lunch at the resort. We actually got it all over at the movies. And we went ahead and got it to go and brought it back to the room. I also got Charlotte a macaroni. So that way Jonathan could eat with us since he's holed up in bed with his eye patch. So we got a burger and I got the salmon supper. It's really good. Look, a marshmallow pit. Right here by the pool. That's pretty neat. All right, guys, so we are here for our dinner reservation at the House of Blues. It is dark out now. Our reservation's for 7 p.m. We got here a couple minutes late, but we're checked in. So we are gonna head on in, and I'll show you a few clips from the dinner tonight, and we're gonna make an actual video that's gonna have this in it as well. It's a little bit like kind of on its own, just a brief video to show you guys the experience. We'll make a little detour into the M&M store. We haven't been in here in a while. Last time we did, we spent way too much money, so. And back here, oh, scarily good. You got the M&M's Halloween merch over here. The pumpkin M&Ms are really cute. And you can get every flavor and color of M&M that you can imagine. They even have a Mickey and Minnie mix. And here's the Halloween one, Scarily Good Fix. This is pretty cute. They have an M&M's dispenser that spins it down. So it pops there and it drops the M&M down. The candy cauldron's open. This wasn't open, I don't think, last time we were here, so let me see. Oh, they have something called a Cauldron Brew Glacier. That looks like that might be good. Making the candy back in there. She's making candy apples. You can get a glow-in-the-dark jack-o'-lantern filled with little candy pumpkins. And a Sally Rice Krispie treat. Another thing that, of course, would be expected for here would be a cherry poisoned apple that you can get. I see. She has to put the black dots on first and then do it in the sprinkles. That makes sense. That way none of the white shows through. That one's really pretty. And you can see some of the regular candy apples in the back. Would it really be a trip to Disney Springs if you didn't stop by the World of Disney? And of course they've got all the Halloween merch out now, so right in the window you've got Mickey's Pumpkin Patch. Okay, this, if they had this, I would be so tempted to buy it for Charlotte for later. It's an inside out marble run. It's super cool. I definitely don't need another tumbler, but if I did, these are cute. Happy Halloween! And again, if you're a fan of candy corn or just the candy corn colors, that is a really cute lounge spot. Hey guys, so I just wanted to close out my video from yesterday. So we did, after Disney Springs, we headed back to the room, kind of regrouped. Jonathan's feeling a little bit better this morning, so that's good. His eye is not quite as bad. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing our resort day. We are heading into Magic Kingdom now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from us. And we'll catch you next time.